That looks very lindo. Hi everyone! The Spanish word of the day is lindo. Lindo. This Spanish word can be an adverb or an adjective. As an adverb, lindo means beautifully. Now let's see a few examples using lindo as an adverb. María canta muy lindo. María canta muy lindo. La pareja baila lindo. La pareja baila lindo. Tocas la guitarra demasiado lindo. Tocas la guitarra demasiado lindo. As you can see, you only need lindo. As an adverb, lindo doesn't have a feminine form or a plural form. So that's very easy. Now, lindo as an adjective means pretty. Lindo as an adjective is masculine and linda is feminine. The plural form is lindos or lindas. Now let's see a few examples using lindo as an adjective. Tu auto está lindo. Tu auto está lindo. La casa es muy linda. La casa es muy linda. Los pasteles se ven lindos. Los pasteles se ven lindos. Las fotos están bastante lindas. Las fotos están bastante lindas. Okay, that was the Spanish word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Leave me more examples down below using lindo as an adverb or as an adjective. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. You can support this channel as well by going to that website and click on donate. All the links are in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!